Hi KB, let's go over our math lesson for today, Tuesday, April 28th. And we are starting on page 377. We are working with triangles again today. Go ahead and make a triangle as best you can with your fingers like this. And boys and girls, we are going to work with the same word that we used when we were talking about a square. Do you remember this word? If you remember this word, say it. Vertex. Say it with me 3 times. Vertex, vertex, vertex. And remember, a vertex is the corner of a shape. Vertex. When we have more than one, we say vertices. We're looking for the corners. We are looking for the vertices. Vertex, vertices, same thing. It means corner. So let's take a look at page 377. We have our triangle. We have 2 worms. The worm at the bottom, he's on a side. It's flat and straight. He's crawling along the side. The worm at the top, what's he on? The vertex. He is going over that corner. He's bending his body to go over that corner. This worm is on the vertex. Put your finger on the worm that is on the side. Put your finger on the worm that is on the vertex. Can you find another vertex in this picture? There's 2 more. Can you find one? Is this a vertex? It's straight and flat. Does this look like a corner? How about this one? Is this a vertex? Very good. With your pencil, I would like you to draw an arrow pointing to another vertex. You see we have little arrows here. This arrow is pointing to the vertex. This arrow is pointing to the side. Use your pencil and draw an arrow that's pointing to another vertex. I'm going to choose this one. Just going to draw an arrow. To show another vertex. Excellent work, excellent. Let's turn the page to 378. Okay, now we have our green triangle. I want you to first use your finger and trace around the triangle. Let's start at the top and trace all the way down the side to the next vertex, across the side to the next vertex, and up the side to the last vertex. How many vertices does this triangle have? How many corners? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. So put the number 3 here. How many sides does this triangle have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. So we know that a triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. Say that with me. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. Awesome. Now let's come over to our grid. On the grid, you are going to make your own triangle. Remember, it has to have how many vertices? 3. How many sides? 3. Okay? It can be big, it can be small. If you make one that is small and you want to make more, you can make more. It can look like this one with one nice point at the top. It can have even sides, it can have uneven sides. As long as you have 3 vertices and 3 sides, it's a triangle. So I'm going to use my pencil. I'm going to try to do this upside down. I'm going to pick any dot to start at. I like this dot. And let's see. I'm going to trace down my dots. I have one side. I'm going to trace across. I'm going to trace up. Do I have 3 vertices? It's a little bit hard to see because I used pencil. But let's take a look. Do I have 3 vertices? What do you think? How many sides do I have? 3 sides. That is a triangle. Go ahead and make any shape and any size triangle as long as you have 3 vertices and 3 sides. And if you want to make more than one, you can make more than one. And if you want to color it, you can color it. Okay? Let's turn the page. Uh-oh. Mid-chapter checkpoint. We know that this means we are halfway through chapter 9, which is crazy. Already halfway through. All right, let's see what we've learned so far. Number 1, what shape is this? It's a square. I want you to count the sides and count the vertices and write the number. Count the sides and count the vertices. If it helps you to use something small like a tiny little counter, you can do that. You can place the counter on the vertices. You can place the counters on the sides if that helps you. Do the same thing for number 2 with our triangle. How many sides does it have? How many vertices does it have? For number 3, I would like you to, let's see, is it on a circle or next? Number 3, put an X over the circles. Look in this box here. Put an X over your circles. For number 4, put an X over your triangles. Make sure you find them all. 3 sides, 3 vertices. Put an X over your triangles. And for down here at the bottom, problem number 5, fill in the bubble for the shape that is a triangle. Fill in the bubble for a shape that is a triangle. Fantastic work, KB. Halfway through chapter 9. You guys are so smart, and I am so proud of you. See you really soon. Bye-bye.